Toxins are almost everywhere, from the air that we breathe to the food that we consume, and over time they accumulate in your body and start causing problems. Nobody wants toxins in their body. So here are the 5 best herbs and spices that can revitalize and cleanse your body naturally. Dandelion root. You may know dandelions as pesky weeds, but do you know that its roots are a nutritional powerhouse with high levels of essential minerals like magnesium and zinc? Also, dandelion roots are loaded with vitamins and it has higher levels of beta-carotene than in carrots. There's virtually no part of the dandelion plant that is not useful, as the root, leaves, and flowers are all edible and can be used for various therapeutic purposes. You can soak the roots to make dandelion tea, cook its flowers as a side dish, or add its raw leaves to your favorite salad. Dandelion is great for the skin, as it could help reduce skin inflammation. It also supports the liver function and boosts the natural detoxification process of the liver. Ginger root. Ginger is one of the oldest spices with deep roots in traditional and folk medicine. Ginger has long been used to treat health issues such as dyspepsia, colic, and constipation. It also has lots of other medicinal benefits and could be used for relieving nausea, sore throat due to its anti-inflammatory properties, aiding digestion, and stimulating bile production to help the body break down and efficiently eliminate waste. Recent studies have also confirmed ginger's antioxidant properties, and ginger is also a popular ingredient in many detox tea blends. Burdock root. Burdock root is a plant rich in iron, sulfur, and B vitamins. It aids in detoxifying the blood via the urinary tract, and it is a powerful herb that is very helpful for cleansing your liver. Burdock root looks a lot like a carrot and can be eaten as such. You can use this root as part of a tea blend by boiling the root for the best results. Indian sarsaparilla root. With a wide range of uses, the Indian sarsaparilla root performs many actions in the body, including an anti-inflammatory, enhances metabolism, immune support, and also supports the adrenal hormones. It also helps in progesterone and testosterone balancing, and is often used to enhance sports and exercise performance. Boil the root to make a tea and mix it with licorice for a more stimulating tonic. Cardamom. Cardamom is a spice used traditionally in many cuisines with a lot of medicinal and health benefits. There are 2 types of cardamom, green cardamom and black cardamom. A recently published study shows that the strong antioxidant properties of cardamom eradicated 99% of the free radicals in a group of mice that were fed cardamom. Many other studies have also validated the anti-cancer properties of this amazing spice. Cardamom contains essential oils that could be beneficial for digestive disorders like constipation, dysentery, gum and tooth infections, eyelid inflammation, lung congestion, and throat infection and congestion. Cardamom could also help break and dissolve gallbladder and kidney stones. Black pepper. Black pepper is not only good for seasoning your meals, but it also has medicinal properties and it is full of antioxidants. It contains piperine, which enhances fat metabolism and helps nutrient absorption. Black pepper can also be used to relieve a sore throat, cough, and throat congestion. Piperine, the main active ingredient in black pepper, is also used as a cleansing spice and is often found in different detox tea blends. Juniper berry extract. Juniper berry is a spice which is mostly used to flavor gin. However, its oil has many medicinal purposes. Aside from its medicinal uses, the oil is also said to have a cleansing effect on your body, which helps promote the increased production of urine and may also help reduce edema and lower blood pressure. Juniper berry oils can be extracted by steam distillation of the crushed, dried, or fermented berries. Now, you don't have to start crushing dried juniper berries or find all the other ingredients I just mentioned. There is a very popular detox tea that already contains all of these powerful therapeutic ingredients mixed into a tasty blend. Just follow the link in the description below this video to my latest article, where I will cover 5 of the best detox teas that I've tried and tested myself, and everything else you need to know for a successful natural full-body detox. Check it out now.